Hare Krishna. We are at a dental camp in a place called as Barsana, which is a very remote village in the Mathura district, in the state of UP. Now this place of Barsana is a place of Srimati Radharani, who is a consort of Lord Krishna. The specific reason why we are having the camp here is that the people in and around this place are very poor, and over the few years we have seen that these people really need lot of oral care, and lot of people have so many habits like tobacco, eating, pan chewing. So it became a dire necessity for us to at least see that dental care is taken. So since last 7 to 8 years we have been having this free dental camp here, and over the past few years when we were having the camp, we have been trying to increase our services. We started our services with just taking care of their bad teeth which needed to be extracted, so we did them. But then over a period of time we found that there are a lot of people, almost 95% of the residents of this place and around the villages in this area, they had bad oral hygiene, lot of tartar. They needed extensive cleaning of their teeth. So we decided to increase the services, and then we started having scalers here and then clean their teeth. We started with 2, then it increased to 4, and then we now use around 8 scalers, and we cater to the needs of all those who come here. Every year it's been increasing. Last year we had attended around 1200 people in a 4 days camp, and this year also we are expected to go almost more than 50% of the expected turnout. What I wanted to here emphasize that we are trying to extend our services as much as possible, the dental services of course, and something quite innovative also we have tried, and it has been very successful. I would like to just show what all we have been doing here. We have first extractions. This is the extraction room where we do the extraction of the teeth of patients. We all the okay. So we do the extraction of the teeth here in this place. All the mobile teeth are being attended to. They are extracted here. We find that lot of people, they have mobile teeth, especially aged people. They come willingly here, get the teeth extracted, go back. We give them medicines, anti-inflammatory, antibiotics. So every year almost about 300-400 teeth are extracted. More than that, right? Yes. Filling room, where this is a filling room where we restore the teeth. Of course, those who have very shallow cavities, they have been filled up with materials like silver, miracle mix and composites. We also cater to very deep. We cater to very deep cavities also. We have 2 chairs set up over here, and every day more than 100 to 150 fillings are done. Now something unique about this is that all this setup is done on a temporary basis. We just use whatever is available and try to adjust and fix in accordingly. Like this machine you see, this is fit on a wall, and which will this electron be disconnected. So we're using the light cure here for treating the patients.
वैसे जरूरत नहीं है, अगर आप अच्छे से ब्रश करते हैं तो जरूरत नहीं। बस आप एक साल बाद हमको दिखाएं, हम फिर रहेंगे, देख लेंगे।
सीमेंट करने के लिए, फिलिंग के लिए सीमेंट करते हैं।
ये दवाई नहीं
बड़ा मुश्किल है।
नेक्स्ट
आप इधर से देख के बुलाओ।
नो बट फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम और बॉटम टॉप
Obviously top to bottom. Shanti is the right.
शांति
Something innovative about this camp is that we are taking the help of the dental compressor to use compressed air, as well as we are using the water pump also here, which you see, and through this the piping system which you will be seeing, the one pipe goes to the filling unit where the restorations are done, where only the air pipe goes, and the other one which you see, the green one, that goes around the wall into the room, which is later on going to be used for the scaling purposes, where we have 8 scalers working simultaneously. Scaling department. And you'll see the pipe which has come from the compressor, which is going along the walls here, and goes all the way into the scaling room.
Live commentary.
This is what you see is a department where you do the scaling of the teeth. As I was already mentioning that we had the utter need for scaling, do the scaling of so many people, almost 95% of the people. So if you see the piping and all going, there are 8 scalers we have already put in. There's a plumbing system which is which is set for the 4 days camp. What you see is the water connection here, and then we have the pipings all go to these machines. The pipe, this is the piping system which is there, which just come from the compressor and goes into the machines here, and then through this the scaling is been done. So simultaneously we are attending to 8 patients in 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes we see one patient. So in 15 minutes we attend to 8 patients. So in an hour we attend to around 32 patients. So in a one day, every day we work for around 8 to 9 hours, 10 hours a day. So around about 250 to 300 patients are being attended to, where the teeth are being scaled. The scaling going on regularly round the clock. The doctors here are working right from the morning 9 till evening around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Yeah. Like 2 days they have been working from morning 9 till almost about 7:30. So all this has been set in 1 day's time, where we just temporarily set up all the pipings, the lights. Even the lights are also being used only for this. these are as good as the powerful lights which you use for the dental chair. But because we don't have that proper setup of dental unit, so we just temporarily arrange all this, and it has been working well. We want to increase our services more, so because of the necessity of more and more patients to be attended to as far as scaling is concerned. All the drainage, the plumbing, this what you see down is a draining system, and the suction apparatus also, which just sucks all the water which has been used in mouth. And this is the water for washing. The patients can rinse his mouth after the work is over. And after working on each and every patient, the gloves are being changed. We use disposable gloves. The instruments are being sterilized. Each one wears an apron. And this idea of having 8 scalers has come out of necessity. We started only 1 or 2 scalers in the beginning. Then when we found that there was a need for more scalers required, then we just had this. So one person who was amongst us developed this idea, and then that's how we could get about 8 scalers being organized simultaneously working. So hope that in the future also we just go on doing some services like this, and maybe attend to more and more people in this area, and that's our desire. Hare Krishna.
ये जो गम पेंट है आपको मसूड़े पे लगाना है, उंगली बंधेगा अच्छे से।
So this is a place where the dispensing is done. After the patient's treatment is over, they come here on this counter, and whatever medicines are needed, that's been dispensed here, like the antibiotics, the anti-inflammatories, and especially those people whose teeth have been cleaned, those who have sensitivity problems, then we give them, different medicines. Like we have here Colgate Sensitive. We actually buy it from the market at big numbers, 400, 500 paste. So every year we do that, for people who have sensitive teeth, and they need to be given. So after the scaling is done, they come here, we give them the desensitizing paste. Along with that, the mouthwash also we give them. We have this Hexidin mouthwash, which is there, and this is the desensitizing paste, and we have gum paint also. Where is the gum paint? We have the gum paint, which is used after the cleaning is done for those people who have pyorrhea or gum diseases. So these are the medicines that we regularly give them. So this is how we perform the camp every year. We do it for 4 days, and in 4 days time we find that we still have more and more services that we need to do. We want to attend to more and more such people in this very, very holy land of Barsana.